So I have taken some snippets from that class and shared it along with the questions that have been asked in UPSC for your viewership. Pradeshika. Okay, Pradeshika. So if they say the entire thing is there, they have divided into provinces. So India is there, they have divided into states. States you will have Pradeshikas, districts. Governance structure is actually see state he is. Province any prince will be there. Province prince will be there. After that district so something like that. Pradeshika will actually tour for or 5 years. The below offices Rajukas. Okay, so you write this one by one. Rajukas, then last Yuktas. Rajukas, Yuktas. If you hear this name, you should know it's administration of Mauryan Empire.